What's good, everyone? In today's video we are going to look at a beginner's upper body workout. Now, you don't have to be a beginner to hit up this workout, as this is one that I have gone back over numerous times throughout my fitness journey and continue to do so. So very much a versatile workout. But before we get into the workout itself, I am hitting up a high protein breakfast. I am also bringing in some slow releasing carbs. This will be with the bread and the rice cakes. Now, I usually go between eggs and oats most mornings. This way I am feeling energized and ready to hit the workout ahead. So right off the bat, we are going for the barbell bench press. So today's workout is going to be upper body, and it's going to be chest and triceps. I have opted for a lighter weight for the barbell bench press. Now, this would be geared towards a beginner or someone who is stepping back into the gym after a little while out, just to get that form and technique nailed right off the bat. So just touching on rest times a little. In between sets, 45 to 60 seconds is ideal. It just gives me that little bit of time to recharge and get ready for the next set. Into the next exercise, and sticking with the chest, we are moving into an isolation move, and it is the single arm crossover. Such a good move to shift tension onto the mid chest, and you don't have to go really heavy with this one. Just a light to medium weight to just feel the tension on each side of the chest. Next move is a tricep one, and it is the single arm tricep kickback. Once again, isolating each arm. Now, this move is really good at hitting the long head of the tricep and just flexing the elbow right up and back down to the full extension. Again, not going heavy on this, just really feeling the tension on the way down, almost like there's a fire lighting up on that tricep area. Really great exercise. Sticking with the triceps, and we are now moving into the French press. So, starting on a bench, we are flexing the elbows back until the dumbbell comes to about shoulder level, and just reversing the move, you want to bring your arms back up to the full extension, and just a little flick forward gets that back of the arm, the tricep area. And you'll see that I am going light on this, going light and just feeling the tension and the reps, making sure that each one counts. Chest dips are gonna shift the focus onto the lower part of the chest. The triceps are also gonna get involved here. So without a doubt, this needs to make its way into your upper body routine. Heading back to the cables, and it is the tricep push down. So with this one, we are working both triceps at once. So again, bringing the move down to the full extension, just lighten up the tricep area. The long head and the medial head all getting worked here. So again, a really, really effective move at hitting up the back of the arm. So there you have it, guys. Upper body, triceps, and the chest. Some key moves worked here. So I will be doing a lower body routine next. Until the next one, have a great day and see you then.